queso. It is something that we love in my family, and every year for Super Bowl we have it, and it's the first thing that goes empty. Today, we're gonna take that up a level and make a vegan version. So get ready for vegan cauliflower queso. So cauliflower queso for real?
What?
Yeah, for real. And you know what else is real? The subscribe button. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any flavor maker videos. So right here we have our pan heated up over medium heat. We're gonna warm up some oil so that we can cook down our onions and our jalapenos. We're gonna get these onions in there. They're already sliced, and our jalapenos, which are sliced and seeded as well. And let me tell you, if you've ever touched your eyes after cutting jalapenos, then you already know how bad that burns. So just make sure you wear gloves or you wash your hands really well after cutting them. All right, so we're gonna cook these down for 3 to 5 minutes or until they're softened. We just wanna get them tender for our mixture. And this already smells great because it's a good base for what we're doing. Once those are cooked down, you wanna go ahead and add in your spices. Today, we're gonna be using McCormick paprika. We're gonna add in a good amount of this one. Some McCormick garlic powder, ground mustard, and that's gonna give it a good flavor profile. And then we're gonna use cumin, which is really gonna bring in that queso flavor that we like. And we're gonna give it a dash of turmeric for color. We're also gonna add in just a bit of salt, and our secret weapon, nutritional yeast, which is really gonna emphasize that cheesy flavor. I love nutritional yeast, and I use it a lot on my popcorn with garlic powder and a little bit of sunflower oil that gives it that butteriness, and it tastes just like you're eating regular cheese popcorn. It's so good. So we're just gonna get that all stirred in, let that cook down a bit. So some of the creaminess comes in from coconut milk, and you really wanna make sure that you use plain coconut milk, something that's unsweetened for cooking. So I'm gonna get that added in, and then we're gonna add in some miso paste, and that's really gonna bring in that umami savory flavor. Give it a stir. We wanna make sure everything is all combined. So that's all blended in, and we can reduce our heat to medium low. We're gonna add in our cauliflower and our cashews. I'm using raw cashews here. If you can't find those, go ahead and use roasted. Just make sure that they're unsalted. Now you really wanna make sure that you're cooking it down until it's very soft, fork tender. You want it to be softer than if you were gonna actually eat it. That's gonna help us blend down and get a great texture. So I'm gonna get this cooked down until it's soft and tender, and then we'll add it to the blender. All right, so our cauliflower mixture has been cooking for about 20 minutes. It's very tender, super soft, and this is gonna make a beautiful queso. So now it's time to stir in the vinegar, and this is just for balance, and it's gonna bring some acidity to the dish. And now we can move over to the blender so we can eat this queso. Woo! We're gonna take out this centerpiece from the blender lid because this is really hot and we need the steam to escape, but we don't want it going everywhere, so we're gonna cover it with a towel. Be very careful when you're adding this in because it is hot, and it's a little bit easier to bring your blender jar to your pot. This smells so good. You can already smell all the spices, and that jalapeno really sticks out. So we're gonna have a nice kick that's not too spicy, but just good enough. All right, so I'm gonna pick this up and dump the rest in. If you do the same, just be very careful not to splash. Okay, so now we're gonna add on our top and cover this centerpiece, like I mentioned before, and we'll start out on low and then we'll work our way up. If your blender is a little bit smaller, you can work in batches. That's completely fine, and just blend it until it's all the way smooth. And if you find that your mixture is a little bit too thick, it's okay. Just add a little bit of water, about a tablespoon at a time, as needed until it's just right. Now we can work our speed up a little bit. All right, I think this is perfect. We should go ahead and pour it in our bowl. So it is hot, so just pour carefully. And do you see that silky texture? It's so smooth, and no one would ever know that this is a vegan queso. I'm serving it up with chips and some pico, but if you want to keep it low carb, vegetables work as well. Now let's give this a taste. That is so good. It's super creamy. You get a little kick from the jalapenos. You get all of that brightness because we added that vinegar in. I'm gonna keep enjoying this, and I want you to like and subscribe to McCormick on YouTube so you can check out all the other flavor maker videos.